I have a GoPro Hero 9 Black here. I'm going to show you how to insert and take out the battery. Okay, so very simple here. So let me go ahead and lock this. We'll go ahead and insert this battery in right now. Okay, so what you want to do is grab it, your GoPro, turn it upside down, and then right here there's like a lip you want to pop up. Okay, go ahead and pop it up like this, and then just swing it over like this. Okay, now the thing is, with my GoPro 8, when I first got that, I wasn't able to do this. I had to use a flathead screwdriver or butter knife and pop it up first. Okay, anyway, we want to pop it up and that lip, and then slide it down. And let's go ahead and put in this battery. You can look inside here. So the battery will go in like this. Put it in just like that. FYI, if you want to charge it, you just plug it in to here like this with the lid open while the battery is in. Okay, now if we want to close it, what we want to do is just go like this. Just move it in, and then go ahead and you can see the red mark there. Just push it a little bit more until it goes down. Okay, so let me go ahead and take it out, open the door, and then we're going to close it. Like push in, and then just pretty simple. Good luck, guys.